Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have a trade recap for you. I'm sitting here watching the hockey game and decided to trade the S&P E-mini future, the micro E-mini futures on the S&P 500. Let me share my screen with you guys and I'll go over my trade with you. Okay, so why did we take this trade? Which this is part, this is part of the frustration, obviously, with scalping. Okay, we took a beautiful trade. We bought the contract at 3776, and we took the trade off at 3778 and a quarter. This is exactly what you want to do when you're scalping. Why did we take this as it just keeps ripping up? But we take profit. That's what scalp trading is. It could easily be back down to my entry. So, yeah, that's really frustrating. I sold it right here. Could have got another 2 points on it. But why? That's the key here. Not what happened, but why did we take this trade where we took it? All right. Now I'm sitting here. It's a Monday night. It's a holiday. The S&P futures just opened up at 6:30 p.m. for trading. And as I'm watching the game, I turn on my laptop and what do I notice? Let me see if I can pull this up. Okay. The Japanese stock market is up big. Okay, it's a 1% move. It just opened. The stock market over there just opened up, a little while ago. Now, when the overseas market is on fire and up like this, our futures will be up, and that's what I noticed and why I took this trade. So we were over VWAP. These purple lines here are previous resistance from Friday's or Sunday and then Friday's trading session. So that's also why I took the trade off here. As we were approaching previous resistance, I wanted to lock in the profit that I just had, and that's the reason why I took the trade off here. But I mean, as you can see, it's still ripping higher because the overseas market is doing well. So when the overseas market's doing well, like I just said, our stock market, depending on what happens in Europe, the DAX in Germany, all these kind of things go into it where we actually open up tomorrow morning. But anyway, was just watching the game. You guys have seen this a million times. If you've watched my videos, a lot of times I'll be watching sports here with my kids and I'll be trading the futures market because it's open literally 24/7. So it provides opportunity. If you do your research, you can profit out of this by buying these contracts. Now, like I say in my other videos, you could buy more than one contract. You just have to have enough margin in your account to cover these contracts. I like to, I'm more on the safer side. So I like to just do this, multiple times a day. I can take more if I wanted to, or I could trade the mini futures instead of the micro, where each move is $50. But this is where I've found my sweet spot. This is what's working for me at the moment, and what has worked for me. So this is what I'm going to continue to do. Being an accuracy scalp trader, especially on the futures like this. And basically the reason why taking your trades where you take them, that's what I hope you guys are understanding. by watching these small little recaps. And that's why I keep putting them out there for you guys to see. I hope that I help you in deciding why you're going to take this. Oh, also, let me just tell you. So I felt comfortable taking it here also because I had my stop right here. This yellow line is the VWAP. Maybe I'll put it in the description to watch my other video on the VWAP and why it's important to put in your for your trading. But I had this support here, so I also felt even more comfortable taking this trade. It was just a nice setup. This is what we look for all the time. It really isn't, you know, if you do your research, it's not that hard. Look, when a market is up that much overseas, and your futures market is going to be up. And that's what it's been doing basically since we opened up back here at 6:30. You know, it's been nothing but up. Now there's going to be eventually a top somewhere. We're up almost 19 points on the S&P 500. Eventually you're going to get way over bought here. Now the RSI indicator is already showing some signs of that right now. I would feel more comfortable probably shorting over here if I was going to take a trade, but I'm not about to take live trades right now. You know, it's getting late and I end up putting my kids to sleep and probably lie down myself. It's been a very long day. But anyway, if you guys liked the video, yeah, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe. I will be making more of these videos. And you guys could check out my other videos also. There's some good info in there. I hope you all have a great night, and I will see you probably tomorrow at some point. I hope you guys all enjoy the trading day tomorrow. It's basically our Monday since we couldn't do it today. And I know we're all so excited to get into the stock market for tomorrow. We see potential. You know, where you see potential and a way to make money, it's exciting. So anyway, everybody have a great night. Take care.